It's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The ideal truck for a visionary. The body takes the brunt of rugged terrain while giving you essential comfort with premium touches. The Ecotec 3 engine works in combination with active fuel management and direct injection to provide optimum fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. For your safety, it has hill start assist, StabiliTrak with traction control and electronic trailer sway control. Use the corner step rear bumper to easily load up the bed. Then secure your cargo with 8 total tie-down hooks with 4 movable upper tie-downs. Elevate your expectations of comfort, durability, and capability with this tough truck. Put it to work today. Here's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. Put the work in and reap the rewards. This truck achieves comfort by offering triple door seals and aerodynamics that reduce wind and outside noise, dual density foam seats covered in quality materials, and convenient USB ports and charging outlets. You know professional grade equipment is worth the investment, and you'll certainly appreciate the attention to craftsmanship in this truck. If you need to load up the bed, do it with ease using the corner step rear bumper, and you can ensure your cargo stays put with 8 total tie-down hooks with 4 movable upper tie-downs. The self-assured demeanor is the result of hard work. Take this truck for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.